How to turn off autosave post on Instagram. Hello everyone, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way, and to know how to do it, just follow the following steps. First of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram on your device. If you have already done so, then open your Instagram. On the down right side you will see your profile. On the top right side, up on the three vertical lines, and just scroll down and down up until you see the option of archiving and downloading. And here, when you open this, save original post and save story to gallery, then it will be autosave. The post will be autosave. The story will also be autosaved if you enable this. But when you turn it on the left, that is disable it. That means it will not be autosave. To autosave, you should turn on the blue circle, which should be on the right side. But if it is not blue and it is on the left side, then it will not be autosaved. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. For any suggestions or comment, do comment on the comment section. That's it for today. Hope to see you on the next video. Thank you.